Really, Layla?
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
Reese.
Reese!
Hey, did you get into the trash?
What you gotta say for yourself? Huh? Huh? Did you eat all of your treats? Cooper.
We gotta do it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let me see.
Remy, what are these?
Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken.
Who got into that? Who got into the dog food? I can see you even though your eyes are closed. Who did this?
What'd you do?